The Tactipad drawing board can be extended with a receiver and a digital pen in order to make it into a digitizer. The receiver is a small box of 3 × 6 cm and is approximately 1.5 cm thick. Under the receiver is a clip to hold it, and it has a USB connection to the computer. The pen itself has a tip that can move slightly, and the tip of the pen can be pressed in order to make pen contact, and the receiver is connected to the board in its own frame with 2 magnets. The receiver will slide into this frame, and with the magnets sticking out a little further than the front of the receiver, it can be connected to the board where there are magnets in the frame sides. There are magnets on all 3 sides, so on the left, the rear and the right side. So it's now automatically connected to the right side, and you can hear the click when I place it on its position. In the tip of the pen there is a transmitter, and the receiver is looking for a signal coming from the pen. But the pen will only send a signal when there is pen contact. So as long as the pen is above the paper surface, there is no contact with the pen tip, so there is no signal being received from the receiver, by the receiver. When I press the pen on the paper, there is pen contact, and now the receiver can calculate the position where the pen is on the paper. So the receiver can oversee the whole surface of the paper and can calculate the position of the pen. There are 2 types of pen contact. One is just a short click, and the other type of contact is place the pen, hold it for a period of time. And the software, the Tactoview drawing software, will then define its functionality based on the position and on the type of pen press.